G'day viewers, welcome to the What Tradies Want Tradie Tough test. We're in the What Tradies Want test lab today, Matty, and we've got some fantastic tools for you today. We're going to be looking at something that's really raised the bar. Just when you think the professional quality brands bring out something that can't be matched, along comes another one and they give us something special. What we've got today is a Hitachi compact mini saw. What's the first thing you notice about this saw, Matty?
Mate, obviously without picking it up, it's obviously the size, and when you pick it up, mate, this one's a lot lighter, it's a lot more compact.
Well, this is one case where size doesn't matter. This little baby, according to Hitachi, is just as powerful as the standard 18-volt cordless saw. It'll cut just as fast, and it's got some fantastic innovative features to reduce noise for when you're working inside and noise-sensitive areas. So firstly, we're going to have a look at some of this saw's key features, and then we're going to put it through its paces with some quality testing.
Hitachi have what is known as an active control system, or an ACS. It works by only using the power that is needed for the application. There is a silent mode button when in noise-sensitive areas, reduces the noise level by around 7 decibels. The saw also has overload protection, which is an industry first for a compact saw.
The next thing we're going to look at is one of the more obvious ones, and that is weight. This thing only weighs 2.5 kilograms, and it's noticeable when you hold it. Conventional or standard 18-volt 165 circular saws, they weigh around 3.5 kilograms. So when you're up on the scaffold or you're on the roof, this is going to make a difference.
Marcus, when we say that size doesn't matter, we're referring to the cutting depth of the blade. This one cuts at 47mm, which is only about 5mm smaller than its bigger one, but that will get you through all of your framing jobs when you're cutting 90 by 45mm timbers. So again, we've got the electronic brake, which will stop it like really quickly, almost instantly, which is a great safety feature. We've got the blower at the front, which will blow the dust away, and testing the silent mode. As you can hear, mate, it's noticeably quieter.
Matty, you just mentioned the blower at the front that aids in following your line. It's also got an LED light which activates as you apply the trigger. What it also has, what I think is really good, is the indicator that's standard for the massive 5 amp hour battery. So Matty, the first test we're going to conduct is a blade depth comparison with the standard 165 cordless saw. Let's get out there and have a go.
Yeah. We're going to start with the larger 165 and see how she goes. Alright, let's compare the depth with the mini compact.
So Matty, how did that feel?
But that was very impressive, very powerful, very fast. I had it in silent mode and you could hear it cut in to give it a bit more torque and power, and the depth is minimal compared to the other.
Yeah, well what we're going to do is we're going to do a cutting speed test with the standard 18 volt. We're going to see how many cuts Matty can get in 30 seconds compared to the 18 volt. 1, 2,
6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 cuts in 30 seconds with the standard 165 blade.
Okay, marks, set, go.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 3/4. Did 18 and 3/4 with the small brushless compact. Smashed it.
Wow Matty, that compact saw cut really fast. In fact, it cut double the number of cuts as the standard 18 volt.
Yeah mate, they wanted to cut as fast as I could push it, whereas the standard, I pushed it and it cut, but definitely wasn't as smooth and as powerful.
Interesting. We're going to test the overload protection now, which prevents the saw kicking back. It actually cuts the motor if it jams.
Got a bit of a damp sleeper here. We're going to purposely jam the blade to see the brake in action. you can see, there's no kickback, and the brake stopped it instantly.
Well, Matty, I think Hitachi certainly have raised the bar with this circular saw. Super impressed with its power and its cutting speed.
Yeah, mate, I was very impressed with this little circ saw. Hitachi, you get the what tradies want stamp of approval.
Well, I'm Marcus Hucker and this is Matty Page. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.